On the 24th and 25th of January, we'll be throwing open the shed doors and showcasing our 1856 built Locomotive Works. You'll be able to see both the operational locomotive fleet as well as projects that are under restoration. Given the opportunity to come and see what goes on behind the scenes at our running sheds and engineering facilities on a unique shed tour. Alongside the Locomotive Works tour, we will also have a service train operating between Bury and Ramsbottom throughout the day. This will be top and tailed with a steam locomotive leaving to Ramsbottom and a diesel locomotive on the return to Bury. There are 2 ticket options for the event available to book now online from www.eastlancsrailway.org.uk. Book your open house weekend tickets for unlimited train rides on service trains between Bury and Ramsbottom, the Bury Transport Museum, and access to Bury Bolton Street Station, where there will be a display of the 75-ton crane and a number of trade stands. Our second option, the Open House Weekend plus Shed Tour tickets, are booking fast. The tour begins at Bury Bolton Street Station, where you will board our Class 122 bubble car, which will take you into our Carriage and Wagon Shed, where you will then alight and walk over to the main Locomotive Works. Our tour guides will give you behind-the-scenes access to our ongoing restorations, running fleet and everything in between, including Class 15 D8233 on our locomotive jacks, with the locomotive lifted in the air. There will be photo opportunities, especially outside in the main yard, where we'll have both steam and diesel locomotives on display. From here you will then board the return train to Bury Bolton Street Station, and we will be utilising our brake vans, top and tail by 2 steam locomotives, Ellenwire Pug 11243 and Barclay 1969J in Derbyshire. Tours commence every 45 minutes from 9 AM till 3 PM and last for approximately 1 hour. Please check the T&Cs before purchasing tour tickets and be aware that this is a behind the scenes experience and will include walking over uneven surfaces and walking up and down steps, and visitors are required to be 10 years of age or older. As part of the event, we're delighted to be offering the opportunity to drive Manchester Ship Canal number 32 Gothenburg. With just £75, you can take to the controls of our crew of Gothenburg and drive from Bury Bolton Street Station to Burrs Country Park and return. Each session must be booked on the day on a first come first served basis. On the Saturday of the event, the Railway 200 Inspiration Train will be open to the public on Platform 4 at Bury Bolton Street Station. This interactive experience, exploring 200 years of rail travel and inspiring the next generation into a career in rail, requires a separate free admission ticket which can be booked online now. We hope you can join us for this exciting event to start our 2026 season, and stay tuned for details on our Small Engines Gala on the 21st and 22nd of February.